Or if you decided that you want to remove everything, every details of your usage history on Google, that includes YouTube, location, and any other information that you have ever searched on Google, it's very simple. So first you need to log into your Gmail account, and then you'll go to the profile section where you can tap on the profile photo if you have one, or you tap on that icon which usually represents your photo, and then you go to manage account. Now in this section you do have options here: the personal information, data and privacy, security, people and sharing. So today we go to the data and privacy section, which is where we'll get access to our history. So if I scroll down slightly, somewhere in the middle, I have this here. So I have web and app activity, I have location history, and then I have YouTube history. For instance, if I wanted to go to YouTube and search history down here, for instance, and tap this, I can access this and delete each and every single one of these things. So I'll scroll down and check through everything that I would like to remove from YouTube. Everything that you've ever watched is stored on YouTube. Let's go back one step and see any other thing: location and app. If we scroll down back there and then we expand that, it shows you see and delete the activity. See, here we have a list of all the Google applications and partner websites, the things that you've ever done. So if I wanted to delete something like include voice and audio activity, I would select that too. So if I tap on manage all web activity, it will take me to the page where I can access everything that I have done. Now look at my case, for instance. I have lots of searches here: Reddit, blog, everything that has been listed with the dates and the exact timelines. So you can opt to clear everything. That's in case you don't want to anyone else to access this information. Then there is also another thing on incognito or private browsing. So in most cases we believe that when we do private browsing, our data cannot be accessed, or somebody else cannot access it. That's true, but then remember, the Google section from their end, they can access everything that you do. So it's not always like a very good idea. As much as it may appear like private, it's not very private. If you have any other questions, drop them.